Hey guys, it's Summer from CJdropshipping. Today we'll be talking about product description, and without further ado, let's get started.
A lot of dropshippers are struggling with product sourcing and bring traffic to their stores. They spend a tremendous amount of time and money on advertising and promotions, but they completely disregard the power of product descriptions. And I'm seeing a lot of dropshipping stores copying and pasting the features of the products from their suppliers. As a matter of fact, product description is actually the trigger that gets people to buy. Well, let's say between two stores selling the same product but with different descriptions and prices, which one would you choose? Guess what? It turns out people tend to pick the one with a better quality description over the one only with specifications, even though the price might be a bit higher. But how to write a compelling product description? First, you need to know who your audience members are and what kind of benefits are they looking for. In today's consumerism, people are buying more than just a product. They're buying an emotion or a lifestyle. They're buying the benefits of your products. When it comes to dropshipping, people are actually buying the way you are marketing and the lifestyle you're selling. You have to remember that when people read your descriptions, they're always asking a common question. They're asking, what's in it for me? Provided that you are selling ugly Christmas sweaters on your online store, you can't just copy-paste the specifications, right? Do you actually expect people to click on your webpage and then go through this whole boring descriptions and then boom, just like that, magically hit the buy now button? People don't buy the ugly Christmas sweater because they are desperately in need of a warm sweater. They need it for fun, they want to be on trend, feel festive. People need to feel a little bit silly in their life, so they will more likely appreciate an entertaining product description. So you gotta make that pop out in your product descriptions. Inject humor in it. You need to know how to talk to your audience members by speaking their language so that you can create an emotional connection with them. Engaging your audience in a conversation is a good way to start. You could try to type in as you are speaking one-on-one with your audience members, or use your product description to tell a story. And the key is to make them feel related to your product. And tip 2, use specific keywords. You need to include specific keywords, which is known as long-tail keywords, in your product descriptions, or you might not stand a chance due to the massive competition for broad keywords. Specific keywords may have lower search volumes, but they are easier to rank for. For example, you want to use keyword as specific as ugly Christmas cat print sweater instead of ugly Christmas sweater or best ugly Christmas sweater. And this way, you'll have a better chance of ranking and be visible in Google search results. But don't just scramble all these words to come up your product descriptions. Those are probably not going to sell. And tip 3, use bullet points to highlight benefits. Your product description should be easy to read. No more massive block of text or long, boring paragraphs that your customer will feel irritated reading. Well, people have short attention spans and they'll only skim their related content. So try to avoid long paragraphs and make your descriptions scannable. And tip 4, use product videos. Compared with a long paragraph, product video is a much more easier way for customers to digest while conveying sufficient information of your products in a more vivid way at the same time. Quality video can create a good presence for your product, but you need to make sure the videos are being professionally done. Otherwise, it's just going to be counterproductive. And CJdropshipping happens to provide such specific video shooting service to dropshippers. Well, if you're interested and want more detailed information, please check out the tutorial video of ours over here. Tip 5. Don't forget to add the CTA, call to action phrase. Call to action is all about converting. I mean, at the end of the day, you're selling products and you definitely want your customers to make a purchase at your store. You see the subscribe button at any YouTube channel, and that's CTA, Click here where you can see at many web pages is also a typical CTA, and the best CTA phrases are clear but specific and create urgency that drives the users to action. Well, try to simply tell them, buy now, while the product is still in stock. Writing a good product description is not that easy. It takes time and some patience, and you have to change your mindset regarding product descriptions and how they work. But you can get good at this.
Alright, that's all about product descriptions, and thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you find it useful. Well, if you haven't yet, please subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to comment down below. Let us know how you like this video. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and see you next time.